We all know eating our fruits and veggies is important, right? But did you know that the color of your food can tell you a lot about how good it is for you? Today we're talking about purple foods. Think blueberries, plums, and that beautiful aubergine, which is eggplant, my friends. They're not just pretty to look at, these purple powerhouses pack a serious nutritional punch. Why purple? It's all thanks to something called anthocyanins, natural compounds that give these foods their vibrant color and loads of health benefits. So are you ready to learn how to make your plate a bit more purple and a whole lot healthier? Let's dive in. Remember those anthocyanins we talked about? They're like superheroes for your body. Anthocyanins are antioxidants, which means they protect your cells from damage, help fight inflammation, and may even reduce the risk of some serious health problems like heart disease and certain cancers. But wait, there's more. Purple fruits and veggies are also packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, all essential for keeping our bodies in tip-top shape. Ready to add some purple to your plate? Here's your shopping list. Berries, blueberries, blackberries, acai berries, and grapes are all bursting with flavor and goodness. Veggies, eggplant, purple cabbage, purple potatoes, and purple carrots are great ways to sneak some purple into your main meals. Fruits, plums, figs, and even purple passion fruit are delicious and nutritious choices. Remember, the deeper the purple color, the more anthocyanins it generally contains. So go for the most vibrant options. Adding purple foods to your diet is easier than you think. Start your day with a purple smoothie. Blend together your favorite purple berries with some yogurt and a splash of milk for a breakfast that's as tasty as it is healthy. Roast them up. Toss eggplant, purple onions, and peppers with some olive oil and herbs for a delicious and colorful side dish. Snack smart. Keep a container of washed grapes or berries in your bag for a quick and nutritious snack on the go. So there you have it, folks. Remember, eating a rainbow of colors is the key to a healthy and happy you. Now go forth and get your purple on.